Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and wanted to turn it into this, which is the colors are backwards. He wants it, he's going to engrave it on glass. I personally think this looks better, but this might look maybe better on glass with just the feathers and not all this black. This isn't hard to do. It's just a little bit, it kind of had to rack my brain to figure out what to do with it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a duplicate of this. And also you had your duplicate set at 25-25, which puts it off center. So that way I could never get it back if I didn't want it back. But we're going to take this item and we're going to go to range and we're going to ungroup. And then the black is all one piece, luckily. And we'll move this one line down. So the only thing left is really the gray. And let's see if we can't move that. Whoop. Let's go up here and go to range, ungroup that object, and take this outline away. Now we can take this and turn it black, and then immediately take away our hairline. So we basically have it. Now we're going to take that line back and actually take the fill away and have a hairline. And really and truly, there's a line between those. So there's many things you could do. It's kind of a hard call. See here, there's a thick line and a thin line. But now we have two thin lines. We could take the Smart Fill tool and fill that back in. Whoop, I missed it. And that looks pretty cool. I would maybe make that line thinner. So what you could do, my suggestion is it's two pieces. Break curve apart and go and take that one line away. And then make this line a thicker line. It is a half of a point, so it will engrave. Maybe make it 1 point and scale it with object in case you make it smaller or bigger. Let's go 4 points and see what it looks like. That's the way I would do it. You've got to have some sort of outline for the bird. So you've got a totally different looking bird here. I'm beginning to believe that that might be the way to do it on the glass, because you're going to have so much black. And then this way, you're going to get the shape of the bird. And everything's crisp and clean and good. So that might work. That might be better than all this black. So basically, we reverse the corner, the colors. See, I did it here the first time. So I've got a thick line and a thin line around it. And you could do it both ways. We could take that line and let's go to effects and contour. Let's contour to the outside, just 0.1 in red. That might be pretty good. And then break the contour apart and change this red line to a black line. And anything, if you make it, half a point or larger, it will engrave and not cut. Maybe that'd be the way to do it. Mr. Jim, I'm actually going to send you this file. So if you think it looks good, you can pick which way you like it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.